This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'm back with another quick video. I'm going to call this my porch and patio garden short. Basically, what I did was, this is the old dish pan. I use a lot of these, and this is 25 cents worth of lettuce. A lot of people don't have space for gardening. If you have a porch, a patio, it's just a small area, you can grow things like lettuce. You can grow radishes. Why? Because they only require 6 to 8 inches depth. You don't need a huge garden to grow them. And you don't need a lot of money. Basically, I'm going to grow lettuce in this container for 25 cents. You don't need a whole lot of nutrients and additives. This is leftover soil from last year, and these little bits you see in here, this is wood ash. Got it free from my fireplace. If you don't have a fireplace, you can burn some in your barbecue pit, or try and get some from a friend or a neighbor or a relative. And the other thing in here is compost, homemade compost. So again, the dish pan is used, the compost is free, the wood ash is free. Basically, all you're paying for is the lettuce. And you want to plant these seeds roughly, about 1/4 of an inch deep. They're pretty small, so you don't want to put them too deep. Just barely under the surface, and make sure you keep it moist. And that's it. Boom, you have lettuce. So this is a little quick video for you guys who want to grow your own food and don't have the space. This is the Frugal Gardener. Please subscribe, comment below, and remember, when you grow your own food, you will always know where it comes from.